the Pro Bono Law Firm of the Year Award, and the Laura N. Rinaldi Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year Award honor recipients' excellence, achievement, and commitment to providing free legal services to the district's low-income and/or disadvantaged individuals, as well as to organizations serving our most vulnerable neighbors. The 2026 Laura N. Rinaldi Pro Bono Lawyer of the Year is John Jacob, a partner at Akin, Gump, Strauss, Hauer, and Feld, LLP. A healthcare attorney and chair of the firm's pro bono committee, Mr. Jacob dedicated 133 hours to pro bono service in 2025 and has contributed nearly 1,800 hours since 2007, earning him a place in the Akin Pro Bono and Public Service Hall of Fame. Mr. Jacob leads the firm's long-standing relationship with the Washington Legal Clinic for the Homeless, where he began volunteering in 2007. Through this work, he has provided compassionate legal representation to hundreds of D.C. residents facing housing insecurity. Today, he recruits, mentors, and supervises Akin attorneys supporting the clinic's clients, while also serving on the organization's board. In 2025 alone, 56 Akin lawyers contributed nearly 900 hours of pro bono service through this partnership. Beyond his work on housing justice, Mr. Jacob serves as board chair of Education Reimagined, a nonprofit dedicated to advancing equity and innovation in public education.
For me, and I think everyone realizes in this town, that there is a great need for legal services. And we have an amazing abundance of very qualified lawyers who care, like I do. And when you combine the care and the expertise with the great need, really powerful things can happen. There are so many people I'd like to thank. Steve Schulman, who is our pro bono partner and has brought with his team so many great pro bono partners to Akin. Tony Pierce, the partner in charge of our Washington, D.C. office. Finally, our pro bono partners. These are incredible organizations. This is what makes pro bono in D.C. so powerful.
Congratulations to John Jacob. The 2026 Pro Bono Law Firm of the Year is McDermott Will Schulte. In 2025, the firm's Washington, D.C. office contributed more than 21,000 hours of pro bono service, with participation from all of the office's attorneys. Partners contributed more than 5,600 hours, and overall, the office dedicated 7.3% of its billable hours to pro bono work. McDermott's pro bono efforts span high-impact litigation and individual advocacy, protecting fundamental rights, promoting equity, and holding institutions accountable. Their pro bono work reflects the same rigor, creativity, and dedication that define the firm's client service. The Children's Law Center has referred more than 100 pro bono matters to McDermott since 2006, and the firm has worked with the Bazelon Center for Mental Health Law, as well as the Amica Center for Immigrant Rights.
Pro bono means to us is it means giving back to the community. It means forming a habit that every day you think about how you can give back and you can be a part of the DC community. So it's important to us to dedicate time and resources to pro bono. We are extraordinarily privileged, and we need to learn that we need to give back. So for us, pro bono is an extension of giving back to the community because of the good fortune that we have and because of the skill set that we have. Pro bono is actually an amazing ground to train our lawyers. It's the first time our young lawyers do a trial. Not only does it change you based on the work that you're doing, but it gives you experience that is extraordinarily useful in your career. I want to thank all of the lawyers and the professional staff in the Washington, D.C. office. It's super easy to lead an office when the folks that you work with are really the leaders. This award belongs to all of them, and I would thank all of them for their amazing work.
Congratulations to McDermott, Will, and Schulte.